Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing OneDrive and your PC so it behaves like an external drive. Sign in and install the official desktop app. Enable Files on Demand to save space locally. Once done, choose the specific folders you want synced and confirm your OneDrive quota, because cloud limits constrain what you can store. Make sure your local disk has a cache budget for files you'll mark online only, and verify Windows Explorer or Finder shows the OneDrive folder for direct access. Next, map and manage storage so OneDrive acts like an external hard drive. Use Selective Sync to reduce clutter, and right-click files to set them online only or always keep on this device. Online only saves local space while still appearing in Explorer. On Windows, you can map OneDrive as a network location or assign a drive letter for quicker access. On Mac OS, create a Finder shortcut. Make sure syncing completes before transferring large jobs, because interrupted syncs cause conflicts. And finally, transfer and protect your data while watching sync health. Drag and drop files into your OneDrive folder or copy them directly. Watch the sync icons to confirm upload. Enable version history and keep a separate local backup for irreplaceable files, because Cloud Sync is not a substitute for backups. If syncing stalls, pause and restart OneDrive, sign out and back in, check file permissions and file names, and free up storage if quotas are reached. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.